Yesterday I was telling the cell membrane, cytoplasm and the nucleus, three important part of the cell. So first of all we will study about the cell membrane. All living cells are bound by a membrane called plasma membrane or the cell membrane. It surrounds the inner gel-like material called protoplasm. The cell membrane controls the entry and exit of the substance according to the requirement of the cell. This is to be understood. This membrane controls the entry and exit of the substance. Entry and exit. It acts as the guard for whatever things are entering into the cell and whatever things are going out of the cell. Cell membrane acts as the guard. Now, plants, fungi and bacteria have an additional outer covering called cell wall. Means ये जो cell membrane है ना, cell membrane के बाहर और एक layer होता है, that is called as cell wall. Please make it clear. Plants, fungi and bacteria have an additional outer covering called cell wall. Cell membrane, inner चीज़ को हम cell membrane बोलते हैं. उसके बाद जो रहता है that is called as cell wall. Cell wall is an important covering in plant cell and it provides rigidity and protection against variation in environment. Rigidity means उसका shape जो है rigid है, fixed है. Okay, plant cells are very much fixed in their shape. Mostly वो लोग square shape के होते हैं और दे आर हेक्सागोनल. इस तरह के पर्टिकुलर हमारा जो एनिमल सेल्स होते हैं वो किसी भी वैरायटी के शेप्स के होते हैं, बट द प्लांट सेल्स हैव पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ सेल शेप. नेक्स्ट, दे प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट वेरिएशन इन द एनवायरनमेंट. ठीक है, दे अगेंस्ट एनवायरनमेंट मतलब बिकॉज द प्लांट्स कैन नॉट मूव फ्रॉम देयर प्लेसेस, दे हैव टू रिमेन इन देयर प्लेस. सो दे एनी चेंज इन द एनवायरनमेंट दे कैन विथस्टैंड, वो बर्दाश्त कर पाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द सेल वॉल. ठीक है, दे कैन विथस्टैंड एनी हैजार्ड. कुछ भी हो रहा है, तेज़ आंधी हो रहा है, तूफान हो रहा है, हॉट समर हो रहा है, कोल्ड क्लाइमेट है, बर्फ़ गिर रहा है, स्नोफॉल हो रहा है, दे कैन प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम द एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज गिव्स ए definite shape, size and support to the cell. Next, what is cytoplasm? The portion of the protoplasm lying inner to the cell membrane and is called, and outside the nuclear membrane is called cytoplasm. Yes, here. What do you mean by cytoplasm? The whole content is called protoplasm, but the content which is outside the nucleus and inside the cell membrane, this bluish part is called cytoplasm. Okay, and inside in the nucleus it is called nucleoplasm, and outside the nucleus is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm is equal to protoplasm. Okay, have you got it? Nucleoplasm plus cytoplasm give rise to protoplasm. So cytoplasm is the ground substance. I will tell you here. Let me tell you here. Cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm. Nucleus inside the plasma the gel-like thing which is present inside the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. The cytoplasm which is present inside the cell membrane, the whole thing is called protoplasm. Suppose this is a cell and outside this cell is called protoplasm. Outside the cell it is called, this inside the cell whatever gel like thing is called protoplasm, and here nucleus is there. तो इस न्यूक्लियस के अंदर के चीज़ को हम बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म और आउटसाइड के चीज़ को बोलते हैं साइटोप्लाज्म. ओके, साइटोप्लाज्म द मटेरियल विच इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सेल मेम्ब्रेन but outside the nucleoplasm. Outside nucleus, inside cell membrane is called cytoplasm. Okay, next, it is the ground substance which allows all the cell reactions. ये cell reactions में help करता है और it's called, the meaning of the cytoplasm, it's called hollow liquid. It acts as ground substance for all the cell activities. It is made up of carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, vitamin along with large proportion of water. All these components work together to provide a unique living nature to the protoplasm. क्यों इसको living, एक बहुत important question है, one very important question that often asks in exam, which is the living component, which is considered as living component of the cell. You must write cytoplasm, because cytoplasm is the living component of the cell, because it all they work together, the carbohydrate, protein, fat, and the entry of the substance, exit of the substance, all this happens with the help of these cytoplasm. Entry, some things are entered and some things are going out, आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं. So this is only possible in the when it is a living. So automatic the things are getting in and automatically things are getting out. So it makes it a living nature to the, it gives a living nature to the cytoplasm. So it is called as the living nature of the cytoplasm or the protoplasm. ये बहुत important question है. Why cytoplasm or the protoplasm is called considered as living, because it all the cell activities and entry of the things, materials, and exit of the materials, and the synthesizing, also making of the materials are done in the cell. So it is called as living structure of the cell. Okay, this was about the cytoplasm. In the next video we will read about the nucleus. Okay.